Oh my god. Okay, I just watched I Lost Your Mind promo. Holy crap, I'm about to die. I'm serious. Like seriously, I'm gonna just fall on the floor and just be like okay, because I mean it was just so holy goodness gracious, what in the world is going on? Okay, like I watched promo, like my friend had just left, and so I was just like, okay, let's go on the computer and stuff. And so I go on, see there's a new promo. I was like, is that for I Lost Your Mind? What in the world? I thought that wasn't coming out until tomorrow. So I click on it, and I was like, my brother was there, and he was just like, whoa, calm down. I kept on beating it with the towel. Actually, you probably saw the video I put up for that. I was just like, nah, nah, nah. I'm sorry, I talk really, really fast if you haven't noticed. Anyway, I'm new to YouTube. Well, I mean my face. I've been on YouTube for like almost a year now. Maybe half a year. But, yeah. You haven't really seen me before. Hey, it's Wendy. And anyway, I can't believe that happened. I'm so excited. So, here's a speculation for I Lost Your Mind. Oh, yeah. Okay. Sam loves Freddy. Freddy apparently loves Sam back. And Carly seems to be pretty happy about it. But then I think she gets bugged. She gets really bugged. Because she's just like, oh, this is so weird. Sam and Freddy, they like each other now? What? And then I think Gibby's just going to be all, hey, Miss Benson. Sam's dating Freddy. And then Miss Benson's going to freak out. What I'm really scared is going to happen, I'm scared at the end of the episode that either his mom's not going to let him, and they're going to date in secret, which would be amazing. But I think that Carly's going to freak out, and then they're just going to break up, and that would be really suckish. I was like, you don't break up, Steady. You're going to have everybody hating you. I wonder what the fans are going to do about it. Alright, Carly, like, not like us. I know we're going to, like, explode and, like, have seizures all over the place. But, I mean, I wonder, like, the fans on the show. They're probably gonna be like, holy crap, Steady was going to happen. Yeah. That was like a little Steady rainbow there. Anyway, but yeah. And then I think Carly's just going to be like, oh, no, Steady's happening. What's going on? My life is weird. Why is there a lawnmower in my living room? I don't know. But yeah, and then I think that they're going to have to break up or they're going to date in secret, which would be freaking amazing. Because if they date in secret, then it'd be like, oh, I love you, oh, I hate you. When Carly walks in, yeah, it's going to be great. I can't believe we have to wait till August, but my birthday's in August, so I don't really mind. Oh yeah, I do. I want my Steady episode so bad. But yeah, that's my speculation. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you sat here long enough through my rambling and freaking out. And so yeah, you can rate, comment, subscribe, do whatever the heck you want to. I'll still be here. I'll still be a person. And oh, I dyed my hair blonde. See, it used to be red, but now it's blonde. Okay, well, bye. There's a fire starting in Sam's heart. She loves Freddy Benson and is tearing her mind apart.